Alright, welcome to the next part of this Scarified tutorial. So after the main section, we'll go back to the main riff. Play exactly that much. You play that arpeggio again, so switch, pick up. Oh, I keep on missing notes. One more time. So that's the rhythm there, and then occasionally you would see him play with his teeth, but I'm not gonna do that in this video. And then you move into the main section again, but at the end there's a modulation. So basically, I'll just show you the modulation first, which is a D sharp major chord. All right, so you basically start on a 15, pull off to 12, and then that's your root there. Sorry. And then that's your G sharp minor. So that's 16, 12, 15. And then you move up, play that scale. So that's your root there, G sharp minor scale. And then you do 3 notes. Actually 4. Alright, so I'll play this these few chords for you one more time. Alright, so I would try to connect them for you and see how it goes. The whole chorus section with the modulation at the end. So this is a second time round, alright? So 3, 4. So that's the chorus. Congratulations, and we'll move on into the solo in the next video. See you there.